Facebook video ads from design to promotion for less than 30 bucks. And it's beginners friendly. You ask, I delivered. By the way, many of you guys have different questions and I'm trying to make videos around those topics. So one of the best ways to contact me is through the comment section down below. But right now, for some reason, most of you guys are DMing me on Instagram, which is obviously still a good idea, but I check the comments on all my videos every few hours right now. In this video, you will learn at least two things. How to create a video for less than 20 bucks and second, how to promote it for around 10 bucks. Are you interested in learning that? Then stay until the end of the video, or you may regret it for as long as you shall live. First up, in this video, I want to shout out GoGoHigh. As you can see his comment from the video on Friday. GoGoHigh, I really appreciate you with this channel since its early gaming days. Glad to have you on board. If you wish to get a shout out on one of the next videos, make sure you comment in the comment section down below and hashtag Dr. Niki for a chance to be featured. It's even better if you say what you learned from this video and then use the hashtags. But you also gotta be subscribed to the channel, because if you didn't subscribe, you commented, how you know you got a shout out? Look Niki, you already said you're going to talk about two things, you're already talking about a bunch of things. Please stick to the script or they'll just click off. So, how do you create the video ad? You go on Fiverr, and I have a link in the description down below for you, and we type in video ad. As you can see, there's a bunch of designers making video ads optimized for Facebook for around 60 bucks. But what we need is something for 20 bucks or less. So I'm gonna let you on a little secret, because you're still watching this video. You don't type in video ad, you type in whiteboard video ads, which are basically animations on a whiteboard. They're pretty effective. I talk about it on one of my videos. It got me an over 15x return on revenue and 2x return on ad spend as profit. So after you type in whiteboard video, you sort it by best selling. And one of the options you have is for 18 euros or around 20 bucks. See, I got you. But make sure you don't tell this to anybody. Oh wait, I already did. But don't worry, most people are lazy and are not ever going to act on it. Okay, so you have this option, you have many options. If you have a higher budget, obviously, it's all up to you. Okay, so 1 or 2 days goes by, we have the video ad, or you already have a video ad, and now you want to promote it. Go on your Facebook, you click manage ads, and then you go on your ads manager. Create, and then you have a bunch of options as a go of your ad. What I like to stick by as a rule of thumb is conversions. Your goal is conversions. Your goal is to get people to buy your product or service. Create an audience. This is the part where you need to know who is the person who will buy your product. What are his interests, behaviors, country, age bracket, and gender. If you do not know that, and for example you have a PayPal account and you had a few conversions, a few purchases so far, you can check that from the statistic tab, or you can do some research on Google and see what, based on interest, what age brackets are interested in what. I don't need to explain to you how Google works, right? And if I do, I'll do it. So since you've made it so far, I gotta give you a second secret, a tip that you should apply to any ad you have, and it's under the detailed targeting tab. What you do is target, type it in, engaged shoppers. If you didn't know it, write it down. You need to know about this option. What this option lets you do is target people who are purchasing things online. Why is this important? Especially if your product is a product that kids would buy. The issue you have with kids is, do they have a credit card? No. How would they gain access to a credit card to purchase something online? As their parents. What happens then? They see an ad, as their parents, forget about it, not interested, no emotional triggers can be used, your cost per impression, per conversion, everything goes up, and you think your store is just not Facebook ads friendly. But you're wrong. What kids do is, they either do that or they lie about their age to access certain things on Facebook, or not have any restrictions, or they registered it when they were too young and they become an adult too early, and you're targeting that adult age bracket, but they're actually kids who don't have credit card, never purchased something online. You use engaged shoppers, you fix that. You're welcome. Then you configure your budget. Absolutely, you need to set a bid cap, which means the maximum amount per CPA or per cost per action, dollar amount you need to spend. You can also use target cost and maintain a stable target cost. For example, 10 bucks, which means 10 bucks to spend to pay Facebook for each person that goes onto your ad and buys something from your website. And if you're making 20 bucks profit, you're doubling your revenue. The issue you have when you're starting out on Facebook is Facebook's algorithm doesn't know who exactly the target audience that will convert. They do not know that. The conversion doesn't know that. Why? Because it doesn't have enough instances of giving an impression to the person and having his approach, his click-through rate, his conversion rate, and so on. So I would suggest, and this is no financial advice by the way, use a bid cap so you just don't get like some insane CPAs, cost per action. You need to test it out. Maybe you can do A/B testing. If you're interested about learning more about this and learning more about audiences, check the video above which explains things, especially if you need to know more about Facebook lookalike audiences. But do it by the end of the video, don't do it now. Then what you do is promote the video you just created. And why video are better than photos, you can see in the video in the card above. I made a video about it. Video, like, attention span of people is very little. First things you should consider. The second thing you should consider is our brain processes video information a lot faster than image. Especially people can relate themselves when they see someone using the product or a whiteboard image of someone explaining the product. That's really builds trust and so on. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section down below. We can talk about buyer's psychology a little bit more on next video. But for now, this is the basic, the most elementary way to create a video ad. I mean, you don't even you pay someone to do it. You need 20 bucks. That's 4 lattes at Starbucks, or 2-3 nice hamburgers, or a video ad. What would you choose? And then you promote it. There's an ad for 5 bucks and you're already an entrepreneur using Facebook ads with just 30 bucks. What's better than that? Subscribing to our channel, because a video a day keeps the doctor away. Full disclaimer here, this is no financial advice and this is no medical advice. If you are sick, please visit the real doctor. And you know what it is. By the end of the video, I normally say you should watch this video, or maybe this video, or maybe both videos, one after the other. But no matter what you do, you should click that subscribe button. This is a decision that you will regret for the rest of your life. Maybe.